So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, right? Then 7 minus 11 is equal to minus 4. So now 6 times minus 4 is equal to minus 24. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, right? So is equal to 7 minus 1 multiply. Now solve this parenthesis. 7 minus 11 is equal to minus 4, right? So now here we have subtraction and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication. So minus 4 multiply minus 1 is equal to plus 4, right? So 7 plus 4. Now 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So the correct answer is 11, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.